Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Nacho Hat, full guide. Start by preheating the oven and choosing a sturdy base like thick tortilla rounds or a baked pie crust. Layer cheese and fillings in stages, then bake until bubbling and crispy at the edges. Finish with fresh garnishes and serve on a wide platter so guests can dig in easily and enjoy communal nacho fun. Gather ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth. Measure 4 large tortillas and about 2 cups of shredded cheese, plus any proteins or veggies you like. Use an oven-safe bowl or mold to shape the hat and line a baking sheet with parchment for easy cleanup. Pre-slice toppings and have serving utensils ready so you can assemble and serve while the hat is hot and melty. Layering is the key to a sturdy nacho hat that stays together during baking and serving. Place cheese between tortilla rounds so melting cheese creates a strong bond. Then drape over an oven-safe bowl and bake at a moderate temperature until the cheese melts and edges gold. Allow the hat to rest for a few minutes before carefully unmolding so the structure firms up and toppings stay neatly in place when you serve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.